Morning guys. So yeah, this is the Audi A6 black edition. So if you remember watch my last video, you see that the other side of the mirror fell off, and then guess what, on the right side is off. So on the left side, you notice I used the glue. I managed to redeem the mirror, but in this case I wasn't able to redeem the mirror. I was driving off and it fell off. So yeah, it got broken and I couldn't redeem it. But I went to eBay. Fun enough, went to eBay for 10 quid. 10.99. Freaking believe that. I got it for 10.99. When I called Audi told me £70 and they only had one left. But this guy on eBay, absolutely brilliant. Get it done now. But the other one on the other end, I did fix it with the glue because I had the mirror. I managed to redeem the mirror, so I fixed it with the glue. So lucky me, yeah. But this time around I wasn't so lucky on the right side. Okay, here we go. Now from some of the reviews I've seen online, or videos on YouTube as well, I think that might just do the trick. Stick it in here and pull out. So I'll try and do that carefully, see how that goes. I'm going to reserve this because on the other side I did use this one, but I put glue on it, so I'm going to just reserve this just in case this one falls off again and breaks. So let's see if this would work. Try and stick it in here. There you go, you hear the click. I think on that area here would be nice. Click again. Seems to be working. And a click. Wow, that was easy. So that did come off okay, I think. Just keep that here. Come back here. And voila. So I'm just going to stick my hand in here, see if I can get. And that's it, folks. There you go. Mirror is out. So I think all I need to do now again is these terminals. Both terminals need to come off. So I just need to note the way it is here, which is this is from the right side, this is the left side. Just compare both mirrors to be sure that I don't miss the terminals. Okay, so this is gonna fit exactly like this. So I'm assuming that the top one will be the left one, the right one will be this one. Now I hope that works. We'll find out now. So let's go. Try and get this fitted in. I don't know if I can keep my phone now. Okay, so I realized that pulling it by hand would not really work, so there you go. That did the job. So I'm going to get this one off again using this one. Hopefully you can see. Let me try to get this one off. It's a little bit shaky. Camera is going to be shaky. Just clip here. Just take it easy. It's difficult trying to film this here. Hope you can see me do that. Now this is very tricky because the one I got from eBay doesn't seem to have the hooks. Doesn't have these hooks. See that? So this becomes very valuable now because I could easily put the glass on this one and really stick it back on, no issues at all. So what I'm trying to do now is very dodgy, but I'm trying to see if I can take the glass of the panel and see if I can use the glass to fit it on this one. Let's see if that will work. Yeah, let's go. So I'm going to get it off. So what now is how to get this sticky off the glass with the heating panel off. So I just get the plain mirror, and then that scrap. But as you can see, the heating element from this one from eBay is just in the middle of the mirror. So around it will still be frosted there. If you have it in IC situation, and then here See the one from the arm? So you can see the heat element goes all the way around the entire mirror. So I've still got the glue from the previous one, which is what I'm going to use because this is still very solid. There's no damage at all to the old one. So I'm going to use this one to get it done. Okay, it seems to be working a little bit, looking like it's coming off. What a marriage made in heaven. Now look at that, boys and girls, men and ladies. I've got myself a mirror and that would perfectly fit. Voila. And I'm going to stick that on with the glue. I've got the glue. I'm going to clean that up, stick the glue here, and I've got myself super duper Audi branded mirror. That goes in that way on the right side, and I'm good to go. So this is what works the wonders. Evo stick, and note the temperature range here, so which is really good. And that's what I used to glue that boy together. And here we go. And here, alcohol wipes. So just a clean. So I'm going to prep that now. Stick them both together and put it back in. Hopefully that all works. We get ourselves sorted. We're fine. Here we go. Remember that it's a bit cold. You can see it's cold, so fitting it right, and you can see the pattern of them. What I did was, the last time I put the glue on the edge, around the edge, so that I'm sure I get a seal for if there's raining or anything like that, so there's no rain seeping through the sides and then damaging the, you know, the heating element or something like that. So I tried to do that with the glue. Right, glue around it. I'm gonna just go around like that. That's clean. That's the side I need to put it on. Now you have to make sure you got the right side on. If not, that's you. So that's it. So I have to now try and see if I can smear. Now they did say it would move. It is gonna move. It starts bonding after, I think. So you have to really try and smear and shake and shake. So it's a thin layer of glue rather than a thick one. So you really want to smear and smear and smear. Smear and smear and smear a little bit and slide a little bit. Slide. So that's it now. And fully sets 2 hours and achieves full strength in 24 hours. So what I'm going to do is let it sit in dry for 2 hours. So I've just decided to keep this here in the sun and then hope it dries even quicker. Now this is not up to 2 hours yet, but it's fairly solid now. So I'm pushing against it. See, it's not moving anymore as before. Let me fit this back in. So I remember that this is left, this is right. So this is back to the old case. Left and right. Okay, so let's do that and see how that goes. Okay, that now should fit through that hole there and through that there, and hopefully that should go all solve our problem. We should hear the clicks. So let's go. That's it. Clip. Oh my goodness. That looks absolutely amazing, isn't it? That looks super amazing. So the real test now comes when I close the door and then try and start the car and adjust the mirrors. So let's go. Let's start the car. It's good. This is all good here. Nice, all good up here. Okay, good.